Whether you're a seasoned athlete, recovering from surgery, or just looking to walk up and down the stairs without pain, Dry Creek Physical Therapy provides evaluation, treatment, and rehabilitation of all kinds of acute and chronic injuries.
I like to teach and empower people to take care of themselves and to take care of their own recovery.
They were so knowledgeable in explaining the different muscle groups and why it was important to do something a certain way. It helped me understand, how to exercise it the right way or rest it the right way, so that I was really getting rid of pain and building strength to feel better again and to be more functional.
Dry Creek Physical Therapy, we tried to establish a place where therapists could provide the care what's needed for their patients. And so we've established it so that it can be one-on-one patient care, meaning when a patient comes in, they're going to see the same therapist. They're going to get the treatment that's best for them. That therapist is going to know them, get to know them well, know what their goals are, and work their best to do what's best for them.
We provide a comprehensive analytical approach to rehabilitation, looking at the biomechanics of each person, not only to a specific diagnosis, but also to a patient's body type and mechanism of injury.
You get to problem solve with them. You get to find out what exactly is their needs and work on that, and you see them progress.
I knew that when he was coming in, he was meeting with the same therapist, and he was meeting with a therapist. And I feel like she knows him. She knows that he loves football, he loves his sports, and she wants to get him back as quick as possible to do what he loves to do.
When a patient says, I've tried everything and nothing's worked, I love being able to sit down with them, listen to their concerns, and then make a plan together to get them to places they've never been before.
We work with all sorts of patients from, 8 years old clear up to 88 years old. Working with a small little gymnast working on getting back to doing cartwheels and back handsprings, or working with the elderly in total knee or shoulder, lifting up their grandchildren.
At our clinic, you'll work with a dedicated therapist every time you visit for a personalized experience that helps you to a quicker recovery. Our therapists use their background in multiple levels of biomechanics and clinical experience to thoroughly analyze each injured individual and use a process-driven approach to help you return to your desired quality of life.
I want to make a difference every time I see that patient. When that patient comes in, I want to do something that very day that's going to make them walk out of the door feeling better than when they came in.
I recuperated real fast by having them show me what to do.
They have sought to distinguish themselves by specializing in different areas of therapy. As a patient at Dry Creek Physical Therapy, you gain the benefit of our collective knowledge and our dedication to collaborative care. We have experts in virtually every area of rehab, in addition to multiple board-certified orthopedic clinical specialists on staff.
I love being with Dry Creek because I love being part of a team of doctors, surgeons, trainers, all with the greater good of the patient.
I feel like the patient is the most important thing to them. I really feel that way.
It's all part of our game plan. Get every patient back to their highest level of performance so they can live life better. For more information about Dry Creek Physical Therapy, please visit our website, drycreekpt.com.